Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today I'm talking about a humble kitchen staple with superfood potential, tomatoes. Yep, those vibrant red orbs sitting in your fridge are packed with health benefits you might not even be aware of. Let's explore why tomatoes should be a non-negotiable part of your diet. First off, let's talk about antioxidants. Tomatoes are brimming with a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. This little compound is what gives tomatoes their red color and packs a punch when it comes to fighting off free radicals in your body. Studies have shown that lycopene can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Pretty impressive for something so small, right? Next up, vitamins. Tomatoes are a fantastic source of vitamin C and vitamin K. Vitamin C is essential for your immune system, keeping those pesky colds at bay. Plus, it promotes healthy skin. Who doesn't want that glowing complexion? Vitamin K, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in bone health and wound healing. So, munching on tomatoes isn't just tasty, it's a step towards a healthier you. Now let's talk about heart health. Tomatoes contain potassium, a mineral that helps control blood pressure and prevent cardiovascular diseases. Including tomatoes in your diet can help maintain a healthy heart, thanks to their ability to balance out the negative effects of sodium. And let's not forget fiber. The fiber in tomatoes helps lower cholesterol levels and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Ever heard of brain food? Tomatoes might just fall into that category too. They contain folate, which aids in reducing the risk of depression by preventing an excess of homocysteine in the body. This compound can interfere with the production of feel-good hormones like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. So, adding tomatoes to your meals could actually lift your mood. But that's not all. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile. You can toss them in salads, blend them into smoothies, or cook them into delicious sauces. Whether they're fresh, cooked, or even sun-dried, tomatoes retain their nutritional value. So don't be shy. Get creative with your tomato dishes. And there you have it, folks. Tomatoes are more than just a tasty addition to your plate. They're a powerhouse of nutrition. Make sure to incorporate them into your diet and enjoy the myriad of health benefits they offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on my channel, The Altruist. For more health tips and nutritious insights, stay tuned and stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.